Hey guys, we are on the last 2% of my first print on my Ender 3 Pro that I got for Christmas. And so far it's looking really, really good. Um, we'll see what it looks like when I come off the print board. I don't know if the LCDs will display at all. 98%. It's going along. It's been printing out for about 3 hours. I'm printing at 93% speed. Hopefully that shows up. Looks like it will. So we've had pretty terrible weather here, so I haven't been flying much. So I had fun setting this up and just getting acquainted with like Cura, and I haven't even really used it yet or anything. It's just a test print. But setting this thing up and just getting acquainted with it. This is just some Hatchbox PLA off Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks or something. It's just gray. I want to print gray like the gray holder that goes right here that you see people print, and there's like some clips you can put for the wiring loom down here, and then you can print out a little gray knob that goes on the back over there. And then I want to print off, like, I don't really like this spool holder thing. It just kind of, I let some of it hang loose. But I want to print something that hangs off the end here that helps guide it. So sure is fun watching these things print out, how it does its layers. And it took a little bit. I had a couple little test prints not go so well because I had to spend a little bit more time leveling the bed. Spent some time like heating it up and getting it up to temperature, and re-leveled it that way. That made a big difference. I still had an issue like printing out the big test print. Oh, the other thing too is like the SD card I had, I don't know if it was like kind of screwed up or what, but I went and just downloaded the contents again off the internet. It wasn't a big deal. It's right on Creality's site. But yeah, I had no problem putting this thing together. It took like an hour, and I'm blind as a bat. It was actually a lot of fun. Just followed a couple of little build videos and stuff. I guess by default this thing isn't the best at like printing TPU out of the gate, but there's like this easy R extruder or something. It's like 35 bucks. You can upgrade it. But I think you can even do like the not so soft TPU, like not the 85, but more like the 95 or something. I think there's some higher density or, less elastic type TPU. I think this will print it stock if you like run really slow and stuff. So we're getting close to the end. This thing says it's at 99%. It's been there for a little bit here. So I don't want this to drag out too long. And again, this is my first print, so I've just kind of eyeballing it on how long it takes. I think I might have the extruder motor assembly still just a little bit tight. I still have to do some, maybe a little bit more fine-tune adjusting, but looks like it's right at the end here. This will be interesting to see how it finishes up. See, it's like doing really slow, little fine movements now. That is so cool. I was thinking this video would only be about 2 minutes long. Sorry, guys. I don't want to stop it now, though. I can tell it's just like right at the end. It's gotta be. Unless it like starts printing out some weird mohawk or something. Who knows? Sure is making some weird noises here at the end. I don't know if that's normal or not. Maybe some of you guys can tell me in the comments, hey, you got something a little too tight, or I don't know. It's just doing this here at the end. Come on, I want to pull you off the pad. It's not near as loud or near as big as I thought it would be. And the one thing I'm really impressed with is the screen. It's really easy to see. I can see it a mile away, and it has a lot of information on it at once. Not too overwhelming, all the basics. One thing I don't like is a stupid little power prong adapter that comes with it that plugs on the back of the cord to plug into your cable or your wall outlet or whatever. I'm definitely going to be upgrading that. That's not something you print out or anything. I mean, I'm going to upgrade with just a different adapter. It's really cheesy. It's like super loose. The power actually turned off on the first print I was trying because it just was a janky connection. So I don't know if that's for everyone or that's just a common thing that people swap out, or it just maybe I got a dud, but yeah, it didn't fit anything. Holy crap, guys. First print looks like it's done. I wonder what it's going to do. Stay right there? Okay, cool. So let me, sorry I'm rocking the boat a little bit. I'm trying to look at the phone and this. I don't think the steps are disabled. Let me go ahead and go to disable steppers. There we go. Wow. And there we go, guys. Let me take it off here. I'm holding the phone at the same time. Check it out, guys. My very first print. Here we go. Looks like there's just a little something at the top. Look at the ears. We have no stringing. Very nice. Just a tiny little string on the end of the tail there. Looks like it did what, some type of little raft. I don't know. This is just the G-code file that was there, you know. Check that bad boy out. Sorry, the lighting's not quite the best, but I'm getting it as close as I can to get some detail. Yeah. Not too shabby. Actually, I think, yeah, those are intentional. Look at that. Two little ding-dangs. Look at the eyes there. Very detailed. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Sorry this is so long. That is so cool. I had a blast setting this thing up, and that was really fun watching it print. A lot more than I thought it would be. Alright. Very cool. Thanks for watching, guys.